Welcome to Cory Turner Talks Cars, and today we're going to take a look at the 1970 inspired and built Manta Mirage. This is a viewer requested video by Gary Kish. Shout out to Gary, thank you for the idea. Now before we talk about this crazy, cool, street legal race car, if you're watching this video in February of 2021, you can enter a chance to win 20 Hot Wheels cars that are still in their original packaging. So if you would like to have a chance to win 20 Hot Wheels cars, be sure to watch the end of this video for more details on how to enter. Now, let's take a look at the Manta Mirage. The year is 1974, and brothers Brad and Tim Levet own and run Manta Cars, which is based out of Costa Mesa, California. Eventually, they would actually move their operation and the showroom to Santa Ana, California, but that wasn't until 1980. But I'm getting way ahead of myself, so let's go back. Back to 1973. The brothers were heavily into road racing, and they actually built a business creating fiberglass bodies for Can-Am race cars. But they had a dream to do more. They thought a sleek, sexy, and fast street legal race car was exactly what the market wanted. I mean, who wouldn't want a Can-Am race car that you could drive to the store and get some mad attention along the way? I mean, sign me up, I want that now, right? So they went to work, and drawing on inspiration from the McLaren M6 GT, they crafted the Manta Mirage. And boy, did they create something sleek and sexy and fast. The Mirage is a mid-engine, lightweight, road-legal race car with exotic car lines and muscle car power. This is not a kit car that's just built over a stripped Volkswagen frame. Now, okay, so it does have the Volkswagen trailing arm front suspension and drum brakes, but past that, this is all race car. Of course, it started that way, so over the years you'll see a lot of conversions and customizations to many of the workings of the car, but today we're going to talk about where it started from. Now, it has a Corvair Transaxle, which was actually a reasonably good choice at the time because the Corvair had similar geometry to Corvette's rear suspension, so it actually was a good choice. Now, it got its power from a 327 cubic inch small block Chevy V8. Some were stroked out to 402 and could create around 450 horsepower. Now, there are reports that some were fitted with a 454 cubic inch Chevy V8, and some dropped in a 460 cubic inch Ford V8, which I'd actually like to see one of those squeezed in the engine compartment. Now, the radiator is located low and at the front of the car. It's sucking in that air, and it's helping distribute that airflow over the hand-laid fiberglass body, creating the right balance of downforce to give it amazing cornering. Remember, this is a race car. It acts like one. Now, weighing it at only 1,900 pounds. Wait, so 450 plus horsepower and 1,900 pounds. You can imagine how fast this car could get up and go. Would make for a quick trip to the store, that's for sure. So access to the cabin was via gull-wing doors, and who doesn't love gull-wing doors? And the inside was packed with 2 seats, a shifter, kind of a smaller steering wheel, but all the gauges one would need for some spins around the track. Well, some really fast spins around the track. Now, Manta Motors produced cars from 1974-ish to 1986 and had a range of kit cars and turnkey cars. Now, estimates are 1,000 cars rolled off their showroom, but how many were Manta Mirages? Sadly, I don't know. Now, I've heard of rumors of 150 to 200, but I can't say for sure. So if you have a clue, please leave me a comment. And if you've owned one of these beauties, leave me a comment for sure, because I'd love to learn more. Maybe we can do a follow-up video. Now, not to end on bad news, but maybe news to some of you. It's often stated that the Manta Mirage was the car featured in the 1983 ABC hit show for the time, Hardcastle and McCormick. Well, that's not actually the case. The car featured in Hardcastle and McCormick was a Mike Fennell assembled Coyote X, but also based off the McLaren. So, but you know, that fact does nothing to change how awesome the Manta Mirage was and is. How crazy it looked and how it could corner like a race car because, I mean, it is a race car. A sleek, sexy, low weight, high horsepower, fiberglass, street legal race car. So that is an amazing car. Enjoyed this video. Gary, thank you so much for sending the idea. If you have an idea for a car that we need to do a video on, be sure to send it my way. And if you want information on how to win or a chance to enter to win those 20 Hot Wheels cars, be sure to watch the end of this video. If not, be sure to like, comment, and share, subscribe to the channel. Let's talk about cars tomorrow. Okay, so this is February 2021, and you want a chance to enter to win those 20 Hot Wheels cars that are still in their packaging. It's pretty easy. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel. That helps this channel grow. So subscribe to the channel, like this video too if you can. Then jump over to our website, CoryTurnerTalks.com. Click on Contact Me. It's going to give you the entry form. Just fill out your information, and in the message, just put in 20 Hot Wheels. That way, if the drawing happens and you win, then I know how to reach out and contact you. So be sure to do that. Then you're entered to win. You'll get an email letting you know that we received your entry. Again, thank you for watching. Share us with your friends. Subscribe to the channel. Follow, like, comment, all of that stuff. Let's talk about cars tomorrow.